Alright, so now we're going to continue on and make our next platform for the GPUs. That is going to be one length and two widths. So these are just going to make a T on each end. Make an I, but it's going to be a staggered I because, again, I'm going to have my GPUs resting over on this side, so I have a little bit of extra room for my wiring to go. I'll stagger it about there for now. I'll fine tune it when I have my GPUs in. So I gotta fine tune the height and the length. So I use this rail, I'll have it kind of hold the riser card in. So the weight of the card will push on the riser card, and if you have the riser card pretty much centered, it'll keep it in really nice. I try and do it the opposites. So I got my L bracket here, I try and do it on the bottom side. I don't know. Feels like it has more stability. I don't know for sure. So I won't lie to you, I don't know for sure. Alright. So, there it is. Because it's kind of a goofy H. So that's going to go right in here. We'll just drop them right down. We'll set just a basic rail height and then we'll go from there. So this one I'm going to have hanging from the bottom. So I'll do the two sides first. Have this side in. Now let's get this other side. There's a little notch in all of these. You've probably figured it out, but just in case, it's always going to be in the rail you're sliding in that the notch is not in. The notch will be in the adjustable height. Just so you can see, you got this notch. The other one doesn't. So that's for your rail, the grooves of the rail to fit into nicely. Alright, now let's get this at a decent height. Again, I'm going to fine tune it later. It's going to be pretty low because I don't need much room over the motherboard. I don't know what that was all about, but alright, so I'm going to go about there for now. We'll aim, I'm going to aim for 5.5. This is 5.5 from the ground. I do want the first rail pretty level at least. Go up a little bit on this one. Alright. I'm just going to tighten the bottom sides of it now. Make sure it's all nice and tight together. Bottom GPU rail is complete.